How did that even happen?
You start out by putting the first lace into the bottom left of the shoe, then take the other side of the lace and do the same thing on the other side of the shoe. Then, to know that your laces are the same length, you put the two plastic parts of the laces together and grab the middle part of the lace and pull it, then pull them together. Now that you know the laces are equal, cross them and put them in opposite sides going outside inside. You do that on repeat until you can get to the final two holes in the shoe. Then you put the laces in the last hole inside to outside. After that, the shoe is loose-laced. So to tighten the shoe, you have to grab the laces and pull them up, moving the shoe over and over again. Then, when you get to the top, you pull the long, unconnected laces very hard until you can feel how tight the shoe is.